Well, first of all, everyone likes to feel good, right? But if you don't, one of your options may be a growing branch of medicine that has its roots in China and has been around for over 4,000 years. Of course, I'm talking about acupuncture. But let's ask the expert himself. Dr. Bo-Shin Ni is a board-certified acupuncturist who has been in practice for over 30 years. He uses his expertise in old medicine for the new century. We have a great honor to have Dr. Bo-Shin Ni on our program today. Welcome, Dr. Ni.
Thank you.
Well, we have a couple questions that we have from curious customers about acupuncture.
Okay.
Starting off, is acupuncture safe?
Safe procedure, and especially in the medical field, and it's the most safe, most effective treatment, and all medicines in China, especially in the acupuncture. I mean, in the Chinese medicine. And a lot of time, people who after the treatment they feel a little bruising, and a little swelling, and the temporary sensation is still there, but don't worry, it's not anything bad, anything. It goes away a day or two. Some people 20, 30 minutes and disappear. Some people, after done the treatment, they get out like they're just being pinched, So everybody feel a little bit different, but the side effects is none. Yeah.
Does insurance cover acupuncture?
Majority of the insurance company right now start covering acupuncture, especially when we're treating the pain or any kind of pain and anything to do with the nauseous, besides pregnancy nauseous. Any nauseous, like people on long-term medications, cause nausea. Some medication side effects is nauseous. Some people on the chemotherapy, there's a side effect of nauseous. They throw up. They're nauseous and throw up. All those symptoms, acupuncture can be covered by insurance. Insurance company will pay for it. And the main reason is a National Health Institute. They've been studying acupuncture, and acupuncture is really working great with any kind of pain. I don't care if it's arthritis, or even just the injury pain, or any kind of, even the headache. Headache counts as a pain, or any kind of pain, regardless where it came from. Acupuncture is covered by insurance on that. But to find out really your plan cover or not, it's better you call your own insurance company, because all different insurance carrier, the different plans, they're giving different coverage. Mm-hmm. Some insurance covers 100% acupuncture, and some insurance only cover 80%. Some insurance says, hey, we don't cover at all. It all depends on insurance company. It's very hard to say, especially the health insurance. Health insurance varies. And if you come in with a car accident, if an auto accident or workers' comp, they cover 100%. There's no deductible for that. Right. Yeah. Okay.
How long does a procedure of acupuncture take?
It normally only takes 20 minutes. The treatment can be done. But it all depends. Some people have more problems. It may take longer because you need to do one side and the other side. You need to turn the patient over. And some people, some acupuncturists and practitioners, they use electric hooking on it, have voltage on it. And then what they're saying is giving more energy. And then they're shorting out the treatment. Instead of 20 minutes, they go 15 minutes, even 10 minutes, they kick you out of office. They'll be done. From what they're saying, and it doesn't matter to me. My personal opinion, regardless that when you use the electric or not, that's not the point. The point is you getting result or not. If you get a result, I don't care which way you're going to. You get a result, you're fine. But if you don't get a result, regardless how much time they use it or what is they using the method, it's not worth it. Right. So everybody depends what you say. For me, myself, I use the average about 20 minutes for the treatments. And 20 minutes later, we'll be done. But in the 20 minutes, we may do some manipulations, which is like 5-10 minutes later, we'll do manipulations. And that way, the 24th length treatment, it'll be worth it. Right. That'll be a better way.
I know all our customers are curious about it, but how much does acupuncture cost?
The treatment of of cost, everybody's different. All depends on the practitioner, what do they want, how do they want to do it. There's some people only charge you $5 a treatment. You talking about, you come in, a treatment room has 100 people, 20 or 30 seats. You just sit down and ask you, what's your problem? I have a back pain, pump needle in there. And then what's your question? Next. Right. They're going through really fast. And those people, a lot of people does that. And it's not just in Florida, California, New York, it's everywhere. That they only charge you $5 treatment. Versus you really sit down, diagnose the people. You sit down, what is really wrong with you? Instead of just say, okay, you have headache, boom, needle in the headache. You're not even looking for where the headache came from. Right. Why you have a headache? You know, what I do myself, I need to find out the roots. Where is the headache? Where is the pain? Where is the problem came from? I'm looking for those kind of roots to treat. And those is cost you more money because it costs more time to sit down with the patient. Versus sit over there, you just sit over there, the doctor come in and say, okay, you have headache, boom, needle in there. Okay, your ear aches, okay, needle in there. Okay, you have a trouble sleep, here, needle in there. They didn't even do any traditional medicine, Chinese medicine diagnosis and finding the roots, the cause. Right. All those can be cheaper. So anywhere I would say the doctor, every doctor does different way, so the prices ranges can be anywhere from $5 to $95. It all depends how much you know and how much you want it, you will do for the patient. Right. So I alert to the consumer. This is where I see it. Regardless what's the price, what they do, what acupuncture does is not the point. The point is you have to get a result. Right. Result is there, you don't need to regret it. Result is not there, doesn't matter how cheap, even can get free acupuncturist. You can get free acupuncture treatment. That's not any good. You don't get a result. You know, so the key is the result, not the price. You know, it all depends. And also how long the treatment is going to be. If you say, okay, you have result, you treat me $5 a treatment, $10 treatment, you have result now, you go home, the problem come back. Right. Then tomorrow you need to come back, do it again, or you need to do 2-3 times a week and for the rest of life. Well, that's not good. That means you're not treating the result, the root. You're only treating the symptoms. And treating the symptoms is the one that's going to take you forever to treat. Yeah. So I myself personally, any problem, there is a root that you need to go through. Take care of the root problems, your problem goes away permanently. Okay. Yeah.
Looking for a safe medical alternative to drugs? Call the offices of Dr. Nee at 321-757-9731. Dr. Nee has been in practice for over 30 years and is board certified in Oriental medicine. Insurance is accepted. Here we treat the root of your problem, not just the symptom.
Within the first few months, I had significant progress.
There's no side effects. I've had 0 side effects from this treatment.
Would listen to you, would take care of you.